White sauce, lobster bisque, minix ko. After sauteing onions and garlic, sinutay ko rin yung big shrimps, large shrimps. And then I put the lobster bisque. Just 1 cup. And then Velveeta cheese. So, diluted na siya, dissolved na siya dyan, mixed up na. And then, 3 cans of cream of mushroom, yung regular size ng can. And then, 1 1/4 of evap milk. And that's it. Ready na. Siyempre, ang gamit ko, ang mahiwagang kalderong mahal. Mahal as in expensive. Para nutritious, lagyan ng spinach. Ayan. You can see it's cheesy. Two minutes na lang and I'll turn it off. Whoa, cheesy. $4.19 now. Tamang-tama for dinner. And I also have tinola. Nauna na yun. Sarap na to. Yes. Nagpo-boil din naman na. Nagpo-boil na siya. Mas masarap to if it is lobster or the small lobsters, yung langostinos meat. But this time I only have the big shrimps, the large shrimps. Wow, delicious, delicioso. Turned it off. Ready. Dami niyang shrimp. That's 1 kilo of shrimps. With spinach. Lobster bisque cheese. This is chefy. Feeling chef, kaya chefy lang. Chefy. Fettuccine sauce. I'm done with the pasta, fettuccine. I-mix ko. Ito naman ang aking tinuro. Ito naman yung pasta. Baka kulangin ang pasta. Masarap kasi ang sauce ko. Okay. Ready. God bless our foods. Ayan. Ang pasta. Mix na. Sarap. Thank you, Lord. God bless.